Hey, so Jungle Scout yearly subscription. In this video, I want to discuss with you the yearly subscription of Jungle Scout, and I want to share the best discount for the yearly subscription with you so you can save big. All the discounts are going to be linked in the description for you. Now, what does it mean yearly subscription? You can pay monthly for Jungle Scout, which is going to be a bit more expensive, or you can pay yearly, one-time payment, and you'll save money. Now, if you don't use the discounts, default prices for Jungle Scout yearly subscription are $999 for the professional, $589 for the suite, and $349 for the basic. Now, in order to get the discounts, click on the link down in the description of this video. There are going to be two links for the yearly plans. The first one is going to be sort of a seasonal page that's going to change based on the season. And here you'll find some cool discounts. The first one for the yearly plan is going to be the Suite Plus subscription. So instead of paying $589 default price, you're going to pay only $449. Plus, you're going to get some more and more bonuses that are available here. So check out this page in the description. Check out all the bonuses. There's a lot offered and way better than only buying the normal version, honestly. The next page that's going to be available here, it's a bit cheaper even. So you're only going to pay $399, even cheaper than a $449 here, instead of $589 only for the suite plan. And you're going to get all the parts of Jungle Scout, but you're not going to get all those bonuses here that this special page here can give you. Another option is for same price, $999, that usually you pay for professional, you pay $999, and you're also going to get the Freedom Builder Bootcamp course, which is a course by Jungle Scout and Greg Mercer, A to Z course that teaches you how to sell on Amazon. I have a review of this course in the description for you, a video review that explains to you what this course is about. I completed this course, and there I share my thoughts. So again, all the best discounts for the yearly subscription of Jungle Scout are available for you down in the description. Affiliate links means that if you ever do business with Jungle Scout, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can save way more than just paying the default price. So check out the links and enjoy. Have a great day. And also, before you go, there are tutorials of Jungle Scout, over 100 in the playlist in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great day.